Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Get out of town.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, that is awesome.
Yep.
Wow. Holy shit, that's why, okay, cleansing my ass.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I told you she was gonna cry.
Are you serious? Don't do that.
Are you fine? Oh, seriously? Oh my god, congratulations. Oh my god. Hi.
Really?
You? You?
That's pretty cool. Finally.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited for you. Emma. You're kidding. Did you have to say grandma? Holy shit. Yeah. Oh my god.
I told you she was gonna cry.
Holy shit. Oh, that's fucking awesome. I'm at finally shit. What the I'm gonna ruin it. I don't care.
December 21st.
No. I knew that one. Wait, that was the same day? Oh no, that was October 21st.
I knew that too.
No, December 21st was the last day of the.
You knew that was what I was gonna say? How did you know? Just had a feeling. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be the freaking best NFL quarterback in the world for the 49ers.
I knew it was a boy. Did you tell your dad? Oh my god.
Proud of you now.
No, nobody. My mom, I just told my mom today. Your shirt's a boy. Does Jesse know? Yeah. Yes, Jesse knows.
Just for one night, no one will ever know, no, no.